YouTube channel, students. Today in this video, we will discuss the concept of brainstorming, which is one concept in principles of event management subject. When it comes to the meaning of brainstorming, it is nothing but it is a process of generating creative ideas and solutions. A brainstorming is nothing but if you have any problems, if a business has any problems, they define the problems and they come with their solution. So how to solve the problem is a big question for a business here. How to increase the sales, how to increase the profit, how to expand the business. So this is a problem or this is a situation what the business has. To solve the particular situations, a new ideas, a creative ideas we need here. So coming with the creative ideas to solve such type of situations or to solve such type of problems, that process is said to be as a brainstorming. When it comes to the process of brainstorming, dear students, generally in the process of brainstorming, there are certain steps which we have to follow. Like you can see on the board here, define the problem, decide number of participants, facilitator, you have to appoint a facilitator in the group, then you have to appoint a member who record or who write the ideas over there, who announce, you have to announce the time here, you have to brief the members how to speak in the group discussion, and you have to record all those, you have to file all those things which you have recorded. So let us understand the steps of brainstorming one by one. When it comes to these steps, first a problem should be defined, a situation should be defined. What is the main situation? That situation should be defined. For example, a business has to increase the sales. The sales of the business is decreasing and you have to increase the sales. So this is a situation. So that particular problem should be defined here in the steps of brainstorming. So after defining that particular situation or after defining that particular problem, you will concentrate on deciding number of participants in that particular brainstorming session. In this session, there should be minimum of 6 members and maximum of 15 members. That is nothing but the participants in brainstorming session, there should be minimum of 6 members and the maximum of 15 members. Then that particular brainstorming session will go good. So after defining the situation or defining the problem, we will concentrate on deciding how many members or how many participants we need in this particular brainstorming session. So once this particular thing is decided, then we will concentrate on appointing one facilitator in this particular session. This facilitator's duty is he has to make sure that there should be no interruption, there should be no disturbance in the session. People should speak, the participants should speak only about a particular content what we have decided, only about particular agenda what we have decided, only about particular situation what we have decided. If there are 10 members have to give their creative ideas for the particular situation which is there. They should not give the other idea, the ideas which is not related to the situation. So that is what we do in the third step. The facilitator is appointed. That facilitator will look after that the members in the brainstorming session is speaking relevant to the topic. After this step, you will concentrate on appointing another member. And the duties of this member is recording or writing the ideas generated in that particular brainstorming session, students. 10 members are giving 10 different ideas. And that 10 different ideas to be recorded here. So the member should be appointed to record the particular ideas which is generated in the brainstorming session. So let us discuss, revise one by one. That first we have to define the problem or situation in the brainstorming session. After that, we have to decide the number of participants. Then we have to appoint a facilitator who helps in avoiding the disturbance, who helps in who helps us protecting from the interruption. Then you have to appoint a member who will concentrate on record the ideas which is generated here. Once the ideas is recorded or once this particular member is appointed, then you have to announce a time frame. A time frame should be announced, like this particular brainstorming session is a session of 1 hour, a session of 2 hours, a session of 3 hours. In this time, what are the things you have scheduled? Everything should be announced to the members. Once the time session is announced, then briefing the members here. You have to brief the members. Like they have to speak open-mindedly, they have to speak freely without any hesitating. They have to give their idea, whatever they have in their mind. That ideas to be provided or that ideas to be expressed freely without any hesitation, without any tension. This particular members should provide all those ideas whichever they have in their mind relating to the situation, relevant to the topic. So that is brief members here, which is nothing but you as a brainstorming session, you as authority of that, you will concentrate on defining a problem, you will concentrate on deciding number of participants, you will concentrate on appointing a facilitator, you will concentrate on appointing one member who will record the ideas, you will concentrate on announcing a time frame, you will concentrate on briefing the members to speak openly, and last step in brainstorming process is whatever you have recorded, the ideas which is recorded by a person who is appointed here, that particular idea should be filed very carefully for future reference. The ideas you can see in the last point, carefully filed for future reference, which is nothing but the ideas which this particular person who is appointed who has recorded, the ideas should be filed in a file or the ideas should be filed carefully so that it can be helpful in the future reference. This is about process of brainstorming. Once again I repeat students, a brainstorming is nothing but it is a process of generating the ideas and solutions, or it is a process of focusing on one particular problem, or it is a process of focusing on one particular situations. After focusing on that particular situation, coming with a solution for that situation. If there is any problem, then that problem is considered as a situation here. So coming with a solution for that particular problem, this process is said to be as a brainstorm. So when it comes to the process of brainstorming, then as a business or as an event manager, you have to define a problem, you have to decide the number of participants, you have to appoint a facilitator, you have to appoint a member who record the ideas, you have to announce a time frame, you have to brief members to speak open-mindedly, and in last you have to file all those ideas which is recorded carefully for future reference. So these are the process, and this is the meaning which we have understood about brainstorming. Next thing, let us understand what are the essentials, importance or advantages of brainstorming. Dear students, first of all, brainstorming is a helpful factor for the business. Think in a positive way. It is a positive factor actually. It really helps a lot. If I am taking business decision, then it may go wrong. If I am taking a business decision together, where I am taking my team, I am taking the help of a team, where my team members are giving different ideas to me, where my team members are avoiding my bad ideas, then definitely it is helpful factor, students. So brainstorming is an advantage for a business. Keep this in mind. When it comes to the advantages and list of advantages or list of essentials I have discussed here, that is, the brainstorming concept or brainstorming session can be used by the people of all walks. People of all walks in the sense, that is, it can be used, these particular sessions can be used by students, this particular session can be used by teachers, these particular sessions can be used by work professionals. A problem has been defined to the student, and we will make the students team here, and we will tell them to do the research on that and to find out a solution for that. That is nothing but brainstorming here. It can be used by the students, it can be used by the work professionals also. So that is why the advantage here, this particular sessions or this particular brainstorming can be used by the people of all walks. One advantage, one essential, one important. Another thing is, this is such type of session, these are such type of sessions which creates the ideas for future reference. In the future we can use these particular ideas. For example, the 10 members has given 10 ideas. One perfect idea we will implement in a business to solve the problem. The remaining ideas, 9 ideas can be used for the future reference, definitely. That ideas also we have recorded. That ideas also we have filed, so that we can refer that in the future. So which is nothing but ideas will be useful for the future. That is another advantage. Ideas for future is another advantage. And the next is an equal chance. Dear students, as I was telling, it is a group of team. This particular team will sit together to decide a solution for the problem. How they will decide? If their ideas they will decide. So a member of a team, each and every member of a team has an equal opportunity to speak, has an equal chance to tell their ideas, has an equal opportunity to tell their ideas. So that is also an advantage for us. In this particular session, we will get, as a members, we will get equal opportunities here to speak, to tell our ideas. Another advantage you can see, it enhances the team building. Every business needs a team building here. Every business wants a team building here. A business without a team, a business without a support of other members involved in a business, then that business will not go successful. We need a team for a business. We need a seller. We need a purchaser. Purchaser in the sense to purchase the raw materials, to manufacture the goods. We need a marketer who helps in marketing us. We need a distributor. We need a financier. We need a person who will manage us. Everything is a team here. So if I am taking any business decision by taking a help of my team members, then definitely it enhances a team building. So brainstorming is one type of session which enhances a team building. That is why it is essential, it is important, and also it is advantage for the business. And then last advantage and essential, positive work environment, which is nothing but definitely a brainstorming helps in creating a good work environment. We are not rejecting the ideas directly. We will consider each and every idea one or the other day. We will motivate the employees here. We will motivate the members here. Calling to the brainstorming session meetings or brainstorming sessions to the members, that is enough for the members' motivation here. I feel proud that if I am in that particular session, because even the business owner is considering me to take my idea here. So I feel happy for them. It is nothing but even I will start working a lot. I'll work more than the production time, which is nothing but it will create a positive work environment. A brainstorming session will create a positive environment. Is also one of the essential or one of the advantage of brainstorming. So in this video, students, we tried understanding the meaning of brainstorming, process of brainstorming, and essential or advantages of brainstorming. In the next videos, we'll discuss the concepts relevant to this or the concepts relevant to principles of event management or management concepts. Thank you so much for watching this video. To watch or to learn more concepts on commerce, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Hope you people are fine. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.